Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. So the scope of this video is to understand the variables in Python, meaning how to create the variables in Python, or while creating the variables in Python, what are the things we need to understand. And this is the fifth video of Python playlist in API POTHI. So coming to the Python variable, or in any of the programming language, when we are creating the variable or variable name, it means that it is going to refer into the memory with some location. Same we have in Python also. Variable is a name that is given to refer a memory location in Python. Technically, if we say a equal to 10, meaning that a equal to 10 is assigned into the memory location somewhere. Okay. And once we perform any operation on a equal to 10, respectively, that memory location will be also getting changed with the respective value. So we do not need to declare the variable type before using them. It is automatically taken care by the Python, meaning a equal to 10 and 10 is the integer. We don't have to say that int a equal to 10. Python is fair enough to understand that 10 is integer, hence a type, the variable a type is integer only. Same as if we say status equal to true, true come as part of the boolean. So status is automatically assigned as a boolean in Python. Okay, we don't have to write in Python that boolean status equal to true or false. In other way, if we have say that marks equal to 10.0, okay, 10.0 itself telling that this is the float value, and we don't have to write that float marks equal to 10.0. Python is fair enough to understand that hey, 10.0 is the float. So we are going to say status as a float types in memory location. So developer don't have to write or declare the types of the respective variable. It is automatically taken care by the Python. Okay. Now when we are creating the variable in Python or any of the programming language, we need to follow some standard while creating the variable. Same standard we also have in Python, but with some restriction. So first is that, like any other programming language, when we are creating the variable name should start with the lower cases until this is not the constant. If you are defining any constant, obviously we are making as a upper cases just to give the extra attention on the respective variable name. But generally, if it is not the any constant, we are keeping as a lower case. Start with the lower case only. Here also in Python we can start with the lowercase as well as the underscore character. Okay. Variable name cannot start with a number like 10 a equal to some number. So variable name cannot start with a number. It should only start with the alphabet. Okay. Alphanumeric. So first value should be any alphabet, not the number. Or you can use, along with that you can use number, you can use underscore, which is fine. The variable name are case sensitive. Like if you say name equal to API POTHI and caps name camel type. So these all three are different. Okay. Because in Python the variable name are case sensitive. So all these three are the different variable. All small, N capital, all caps. So this treated as a three variables. So when we are declaring or defining variables in Python, we are making sure that space should not come. Like, okay, that it should be a one character, one string, sorry. Okay. So these are the rule we need to follow when we are creating the variable in Python. Along with that, what is the technically, uses or characteristics of the variable in Python as per other programming language also. So technically, when we are assigning the value into any variable, in memory it is going to allocate the memory. Okay. So the same here also in Python, the value stored in a variable can be changed during runtime. So when we are assigning the value is getting stored into the memory with the some memory allocation. And while runtime, if we change the value, we do some update, add, update, or delete on the variable. Respectively, the changes will affect their memory location also. So all the operation done on a variable affect their memory location, which is obvious, right? Now, when we are going to declare any variable in Python, we are making sure that these are the special character that we are not going to use, like colon, 3 times, single quote, comma, less than, greater than, backslash, question mark, pipe. So these are all list of special character that we don't have to use while creating the variable in Python, just to make sure that. So this is the scope of this value, and we understood how to declare the variable in Python. Thanks for watching this.